Let x represent the full height of a certain species of tree. Assume that x has a normal probability distribution with a mean of 162 feet and a standard deviation of 36.4 feet. Find the probability that the height of a randomly selected tree is between 81.9 and 183.8 feet. So we have data that is normally distributed. And when that's the case and we want to calculate a probability, so when it says find the probability, we should start off by drawing a bell-shaped distribution and put the pertinent information on that. So the mean of these trees are 162, the standard deviation is 36.4. So the mean is right in the center. What we're looking for here is the probability that a tree chosen at random is between 81.9 and 183.8. Now, if we want between those values, we're looking for this area under the normal distribution curve. And to find the area under a normal distribution curve, we use the function normal CDF, which takes two inputs to start with, the lower bound of our shaded region, the upper bound of our shaded region, and then the mean and standard deviation of our normal distribution. And at this point, we can use the calculator to come up with this area. So I'll hit second and vars. And the second item down there in the distributions menu is normal CDF. And I just need to type in the inputs that I've written out here. So 81.9, comma, 183.8, comma, 162, 36.4. Press enter and I've got 0.7115. And that's my answer. But some of you may have seen a menu show up when you did the normal CDF, and that's perfectly okay. Let me show you what that is. So second distributions, normal CDF. It's just a more efficient way of asking you what the four inputs are to normal CDF, rather than having you type them in a comma-separated list. So the lower bound is the first input. The upper bound is the second input. The mean is 162, and the standard deviation is 36.4. So put those in, press enter, and all it does is it copies it onto the home screen with the comma-separated list, and then runs the function. So either way, you get the same answer.